Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in Microsoft Excel, and basically we can use VLOOKUP function to find a value in a table or range. And for example, I'm going to use the VLOOKUP function to find the score of the student. Okay, and let's get into it. I'm going to demonstrate it. First thing first, you can type in equal and then VLOOKUP like this, and you can follow the instruction right here guys. Okay, and then I'm going to select the cell because the student's name is right here, and then I'm going to select the range. Okay, and I'm going to insert 2 because the number of the column is 2, and type in false to find the exact match. Alright, and click on enter. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the score of the student is 95, and it's matching. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.